So guys, if you're doing this exercise with a group, with your co-founders, with your mom, I don't care, this is the step-by-step guide. So we'll use the note and vote tactic here in order to avoid, everybody from yelling, and you'll end up with the loudest voices right inside your brand identity. So therefore, we start with step 1, note. Let everybody write down their answers on their sticky notes for 5 minutes. And the order of the questions depends on whether you are a new brand or an existing brand. You can see that in the worksheet and the PDF. The second part is called vote. This will also take 5 minutes. And once all the answering is completed, the facilitator will take all the answers from question number 1 from all the contributors and will place all of the sticky notes around that section on the board. Then you will take out all the overlapping and similar answers together, and after this you can let everyone vote their best answers to that single question. Remember, vote first, then discuss. No reactions before the voting. And then you'll do the same for the next question. So number 2, after that you'll do the same for number 3. So this will take 5 minutes per question. Move on to the next question in the same order as you did before. All the way until all of the 6 questions are answered and your decision for the answer collectively is made. In the summary, the facilitator will then summarize the answers to all of the questions, and you will search for alignment between each question and answers together. For example, does your personality match with your why, with your purpose? Does what makes you different relate to what you value the most? All of these need to be aligned, and you can probably feel in your gut as if you are a real customer if everything makes sense. If not, try to fix where it hurts the most. Wow guys, so basically you've just invented the DNA of your brand, and I hope that you found it useful and fun. This will really help you to move the needle and take your brand forward. Whether you are talking to interns or customers or designers, this is something you can always fall back on. I hope it helped, and let's move to the next tactical, strategical tool. It's called the competitive landscape.